Sisende ya bedman. Trouble for one earlier and I don't amount for a bow. They be yama. Monk wa cheche nye mugwazi. So
okay. We used onion, tomatoes, yeah, and then beef, and then oil, red oil. You should actually chisel. Lotus Kitchen sells all of that, so you can actually get some from her. So I suggest you actually call her and then get yours. And then this is herrings. She actually sells them, so I'll just put that in.
mommy chain it when they be yama.
And then you mix.
Then you mix until the food is ready. Mix so. And I'm going to no ma.
Yeah.
No we oh wow.
Yeah.
I general. Ne yo yabaza.
Oh yeah, this one is onion.
So this is boiled garden eggs and boiled onion. Okay. Okay. So what are you going to do with this one?
You mash it later. When this is like a bit going to be ready and good. So you just mash this and then just put it aside. When this is ready, and then you put in.
I know I imagine system. You I had man kono dey bedin zama.
But we actually will be nice.
It will actually be nice. Say we I abrochi tapoli one.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice you. Fog me.
So mash it, It doesn't have to like be that smooth or something. Just have to be like this. And then we pour it in.
Yeah. Bedin yama.
Before you pour it in. Yeah, and then you mix. It's not that hot, so I can just hold it.
Easy. Yeah. Ian trouble free in your ability sister. I'm gonna go from kama one saka at the best show how on your fapa in your baby. Able to cry the eba Gary set us it as it come by white rice, Gary, just name them plantain, cocoyam, Charlie, potatoes. You were fun 100 in one because it can serve, it can be used in so many corners. Yeah. Hey beautiful people, finally our introba froye with nchefuano is ready. This is beef. You okay? Guy, buy some from Hilda's Kitchen. Yeah, orokodo shofroye nimu eyi. Happy 80s. Yay, orokodo chai. You are all invited. Garden eggs with Eben. With nchefua. Yes, anyo on man shada ama anyama wa mfe. Iraze amanfo bi wono konado. Iraze kubo hona ama wenye binye. Papa. Che. As not a guy. It was easy. The Gary Sunama for you. All know I come from Mori. As for Morians, we love our Gary. It has a sharp parsley. Gary is already made. All that you need is hot water or cold water, and you are ready to go. Yeah. Good food, so not twice. Oh yeah, good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Zivan Papa. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Zivan Papa. Finally, the day is here, guys. Oh, budget on your Gary versus Froiche. Father, we thank you once again for such a wonderful, beautiful food. This is Murofune it Gary said, I see you, you take it. We just mash it around your fingertips like that. Yeah, you massage it, let the Gary feel that she's at home. Yeah, and then finally you squeeze it. It will become like a trauma. And then this is the stew. Looks very nice. Just try to go side, go left, go side, go left, and then you take it. And finally. As a woman finds Yama, maybe I want to more share the kitchen when you've been not that. Come on.